Hello marine engineers, welcome back to our next lectures on naval architecture. So again in this lectures we are going to discuss some important questions जो already written exams में पूछे गए हैं. These questions are already asked in your ships constructions and stability MEO class 4 written exams. Numericals on coefficients of forms. So last lectures we were discussed about some important formulas and concepts regarding coefficients of forms, such as what is block coefficient, del by length into breadth into draft of this shape. Clear? What is midship coefficient, AM by breadth into draft of the ship. AM represents here midship area. CP, that is prismatic coefficient, is nothing but del by AM into L. What is AM here? Again midship area and into length of this ship. CWL, that is waterline coefficient, AW by L into B. Again AW is nothing but water plane area. CVP, that is vertical prismatic coefficient, del by AW into T. Clear? Again T here draft. So yes, चलो जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आए थे वो हम क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं. सो प्लीज इससे क्या होगा कि आप लेवल आपको पता चलेगा कि नाउ अडेज एमईओ क्लास 4 रिटन एग्जाम्स में व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दे आर आस्किंग एंड आपको आइडिया मिलेगा कि इस तरह क्वेश्चंस को कैसे सॉल्व करना है. गेटिंग और नॉट? चलो, सो वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ शिप 135 मीटर लॉन्ग. नाउ व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस शिप हियर? यस, लेंथ ऑफ दिस शिप इज 135 meter.
So the problem right now is to clearing MEO class for all 6 writtens and 4 orals ASAP, because you cannot go on ship till the time you do that, and I understand the pressure. So right now how I can help you is, guys, please go for this MEO class for live classes that we have started. I guess there'll be amazing results awaiting you. Apart from that, if you are worried about how will you perform as a 4th year 3rd year onboard ship, why don't you invest on 4th year 3rd year excellence package, which is again available on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. ये जितनी चीजें आप ही लोगों के लिए बनाई है, I am waiting that you achieve success and I achieve damn good results. Take it back.
Breadth, beam, don't get confused. Beam is nothing but breadth of the ship. Breadth of the ship 18 meter and draft is 7.6 meter. Draft is 7.6 meter. Clear? And has a displacement of 14,000 ton. Clear? This displacement, this is nothing but displacement is equal to 14,000 ton. T stands for ton. Clear? The area of the load water plane is, see, the area of the load water plane is means AW. AW is given 1925 meter square. 1925 meter square. Next, area of the immersed midship section means AM given, right? AM is equal to how much? 130 meter square. Any doubt? We need to find CW means yes, CW, water coefficient, water plane coefficient. What is the formula of CWC? CW is nothing but AW by L into B by L into B. Now what is the value of AW here? 1925 by L into B, length into breadth, right? Length of the ship is 135 into breadth of the ship is 18 meter. Please solve it. You will get 0.793 dimensionless unit है भाई ये. Clear? So CW 0.793. Clear? Any doubt? Next question or next part. Option B. CM means what? Midship coefficient, right? CM. So how to find CM? Formula of CM is nothing but AM by B into T. Again, now tell me what is the value of AM midship section area? Immersed midship section area is given 130 130 by breadth 18 meter into, this is nothing but draft, this means T, or we can say draft is nothing but 7.6. This T is nothing but draft ray, this T is nothing but draft. Clear? Any doubt? Clear? चलो next. So please solve it. आपकी आंसर आएगी CM की आंसर 0.950. 0.950. This is CM. Clear? Yes. Now find CB, block coefficient. Block coefficient CB, again del by LBT. Now majority of students mistakes कहां करते हैं, mistakes पे बात करेंगे. Now see, now in your question your delta is given 14,000 ton, but in your block coefficient formula is del by length into breadth into draft of the ship. So what is del here? Now what is the relationship between delta and del? Yes, delta is equal to rho into del. This delta is equal to rho into del. अब कैसे, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई सर, हाउ कैन आई आइडेंटिफाई सर दिस इज डेल्टा और डेल? क्वेश्चन में तो ऐसा नहीं लिखता है ना, दिस इज डेल्टा, दिस इज डेल्टा, दिस इज डेल, लाइक दैट. क्वेश्चन ऐसा लिखा है क्या? सिंपल लिखा है डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डेल भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही है, वन टाइप ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही, ये भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही है. सो हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई सर? सी लुक, नाउ tell me the SI unit of density. Density is nothing but mass per unit volume. Mass represents kg, volume means meter cube. So kg per meter cube, or we can say mass in terms of ton, 1 ton. Getting or not? कुछ इस तरीके में बोल सकता हूं. So 1 ton mass है by meter cube. Clear or not? Getting or not? Now this del means meter cube. This is nothing but meter cube. So this meter cube get cancelled. Now delta, this delta is nothing but in the form of ton में वो बोलेगा. So जब भी ton में बोले means this delta, and जब भी मीटर क्यूब में बात हो, clear, if your displacement is given in meter cube means this del. Clear? Any doubt? Now this del by LBT. Now how to find del with this help of delta? Simply use this. This del is equal to delta by rho. Delta by rho by LBT. Now delta 14,000. 14,000 by rho. Density. See, density for seawater. For seawater, take density 1.025. Clear? 1.025. by L into B into T. 135 into 18 into 7.6. प्लीज कैलकुलेट इट. आपको ये वैल्यू मिलेगा 0.740. राइट? यस, प्लीज कैलकुलेट इट. एनी डाउट? क्लियर? चलो, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज CP. नाउ टेल मी हाउ टू फाइंड CP वैल्यू. मैंने आपको बताया था हाउ टू फाइंड CP वैल्यू. सो CP इज द रेशियो ऑफ CB by CM ओनली. नो, CP इज द रेशियो ऑफ CB by CM ओनली. तो आपके पास CB भी है एंड CM भी है. एंड वन अदर फॉर्मूला इज CP इज नथिंग बट डेल बाय AM into L. So you have del 14,000 by 1.025. Put del is equal to 14,000 by 1.025. Put AM into L. Getting or not? Clear or not? AM भी given है 130 मीटर स्क्वायर. So formula of prismatic coefficient is equal to del by AM into L or CB by CM. CB by CM. So now see, look, मैं यहां पर आपको कैलकुलेट करके शो करता हूं. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ CB हियर. 0.740. 0.740 by cm, value of cm is 0.950, 0.7789, cp is equal to 0.778, राउंड फिगर, क्लियर। मेरे आंसर आ रही है 0.7789, 0.7789। सो ऑन एन एवरेज ये वैल्यू आप ले सकते हो 0.778। नेवल आर्किटेक्चर्स में जो डेसिमल के बाद आया ना, तो एटलीस्ट 3 डिजिट लिखना है एग्जाम में, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, क्लियर। यस, एनी डाउट? क्लियर? क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? यस, राइट इट डाउन, क्लियर। समझ कर लिखो या खुद से भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ शिप डिस्प्लेसेस 9450 ton, again asked in recent question in 2023 only, 2023 में क्वेश्चंस पूछा गया है, क्लियर। अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट और इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस asked in MEO class 4 2023. Now a ship displaces 9450 ton, ton means this is delta is given 9450 ton. Any doubt? Now, and has a block coefficient. Block coefficient is given, that is CV is given how much? 0.7. This is your block coefficient. The area of inmost midship section is, the area of inmost midship, that is AM, stands for inmost midship section is 106 meter square. Clear? If beam is equal to, beam means breadth of the ship, given beam is equal to 0.13 length of the ship, beam is equal to 0.13 length of the ship. Clear? Equal to 0.13 into length of the ship equal to 2.1 draft, equal to 2.1 into draft. Now calculate the length of the ship. We need to calculate length of the ship, and one more thing is, yes, prismatic coefficient, that is CP. How to find it? How to solve such type of questions? Recently asked in your MEO class 4 2023. Clear? So again use block coefficient formula. What is block coefficient formula? CV represent coefficient of block. Block coefficient is equal to del by L into B into T. Now majority of the student कहां मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं? मिस्टेक्स की बात करते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं अगेन दिस डेल्टा एंड दिस डेल। अब आप क्या करोगे एग्जाम में? आप डायरेक्टली 9450 बाय लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू ड्राफ्ट पुट करोगे एंड आपकी आंसर रॉन्ग आएगी। सो नाउ व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अगेन डेल्टा एंड डेल? डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू रो इंटू डेल, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, क्लियर। डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू रो इंटू डेल। सो with the help of this equation, what is the value of del? So delta by rho is equal to del. Now so CV is equal to del is equal to delta by rho. Delta is 9450 by density. Now a ship displaces 9450 ton and has a block coefficient itna, the area of this length of the ship and prismatic coefficient. Now just assume density is 1.025. Although in this question sea water मेंशन नहीं किया गया है, बट वी आर डीलिंग विथ मर्चेंट शिप्स, तो मैं एज्यूम करूंगा कि सी वाटर डेंसिटी इज 1.025. सो 1.025 बाय लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू ड्राफ्ट. सो नाउ व्हाट इज लेंथ? टेक लेंथ एज अ एल. मैंने क्या लिया? लेंथ को एल लिख दिया ऐसे, दैट इज एल. नाउ टेल मी हाउ टू राइट ब्रेथ. So there is one relationship given in your question itself. your beam of the ship is 0.13 L. So just write it down 0.13 L. Again, how to write draft in terms of L only? Because there is a relationship between, no, एक relationship है यहाँ पर L, B and D की. Clear? So now tell me from this equation number 1, clear? From number 1 equation, B is equal to 0.13 L, and one more thing, 0.13 L is equal to 2.1 D. Agree? So how to write draft in terms of length? Simple है. D is equal to 0.13 by 2.1 L. So again write it down, 0.13 L by 2.1. Getting or not? Now, अब tell me what is block coefficient given? It's 0.7. Block coefficient given is 0.7. So now 0.7. Now L into L means cubic. So L cube के फॉर्म में आएगा. Now from this equation आप कैलकुलेट करोगे, then you will get the value of L is 117.9 meter. So this is the length of the ship. Clear? Any doubt? ये क्या हो गया? ship की length. 10 marks question. 10 marks question है ये. 5 mark length and 5 mark prismatic coefficient. Now how to find prismatic coefficient? Yes, Cp is equal to del by am into L. This del by am into L. Now put the del value 9450 by 1.025 by midship area. Immersed midship area is 106 meter square and L is 117.9 meter, and you will get 0.738. This is prismatic coefficient. Any doubt? So this type of questions are frequently, mostly and always asked question in your MEO class 4 SC and S written exam. So all the best. Wish you all the best in your upcoming exam. Thank you.